Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice radical problem. Here we have fourth root of x is equal to x over 4, and now we can solve this problem for the value of x. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here I can just remove this fourth root on the left hand side. So in order to remove this fourth root, we can just take a fourth power on both of the sides. So that we have, first we can write this fourth root as x to the power of 1 over 4 is equal to x over 4. And now we can apply fourth power on both of the sides. So that we get x to the power of 1 over 4 and its whole power 4 is equal to x over 4 and its whole power 4. So now here I can use two power laws or exponent laws, which is defined as a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times of n. We can apply this exponent law in the left hand side, and if you can see, focus on the right hand side. In the right hand side we can apply this exponent law. If we have a over b to the power of m, then we can write it as a to the power of m over b to the power of n. Okay, so we can apply this exponent law in the right hand side, so that the left hand side will become, after applying this exponent law, we can just multiply these two exponents, so that we get 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 over 4 to the power 4. Now we can apply this exponent in the right hand side, so that we get here this 4 is gone, and here we get x is equal to x to the power of 4 over this 4 to the power of 4 is equals to 256. So that now we can take the cross multiplication. In the left hand side the denominator is 1, and when we can take this cross multiplication, so that we got here 256 times of x is equal to x to the power of 4. And finally we can take 256 to the right hand side, and we get x to the power of 4 minus 256 times of x is equal to 0. Now we can take common x from both of the terms, and we will get x to the power of 3 minus 256 is equal to 0. And after that we have two cases. The first case is, we can take here x is equal to 0, and the second case is we can take x cube minus 256 is equal to 0. X cube minus 256 is equal to 0. So here we have these two cases. So first we got the value of x is 0, and now we can solve or proceed this case only. And in this case we can take 256 to the right hand side, and we get here x cubed is equal to 256. And in order to find the value of x, we can take cube root here, so that we get x to the power of 3 and its whole power 1 over 3 is equal to 256 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, so these three are gone, and here we get in the left hand side is x is equal to and we in the right hand side we have 256 to the power of 1 over 3, and we can write it in the square root or in the radical form. So it will become in that form 256 and its cube root power. Okay, so this is the other root of the given equation. So these are the two roots or two solutions of the given nice radical problem. So this is our final answer of the question. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.